Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a gym membership website or fitness club website with WordPress and Elementor Page Builder. Okay, in our previous episode we have designed this services section of the home page. Okay, and we are designing these icon boxes using Elementor native icon box, and it has hover color effect for the icons, but it does not have hover color setting or options for the titles. So if you want to have, you have to insert custom CSS. For example, let's go to this icon box, and this title is history tag. Okay, this is history. Okay, you can change it. By default this is history. Okay, this is important. And go to advanced, give a CSS ID or CSS class. For example, CSS ID, this is service 1, so I just give a ID is S1. Go to custom CSS, then hashtag S1, then history tag, hover color, any color, and you have to insert the hex code or the name of the color, for example red. Now we have this hover color effect. Now it is red. Yeah, like that. Okay, for me I do not need this, so yeah, delete them. Okay, now let's add this testimonial section. For this testimonial section we have two columns, one for this image and another for this testimonials, and we can copy this layout from this section. Okay, copy this section and paste it here. Okay, let's replace this image. I have already downloaded and uploaded from few images from unsplash.com. Okay, let's use this one. This is an portrait image. Okay, and here we do not need this. We do not need this button too. What our client think about gym? Client feedback. Okay, then we have this testimonial carousel. For this we have, let's see, reviews. Okay, review widget inserted here. What? Okay, additional options. Possible image size full. Slides. Okay, here. Okay, we do not need the image. Okay, auto style. Error, separator, text, account rating, navigation. Okay, here. Okay, what we can do here, text, slides. Yeah, something I do not like about this Elementor native review widget or the testimonial widget is there. Here we do not have the options, do not much option for the layout design or yeah, templates. We do not have much option here. We can adjust the typography size, everything, but here if I want to display this name or designation below here, below the testimonial or review, it does not give the option for us. So yeah, it's little, I do not like this. There's something I do not like about. Okay, anyway, let's use this layout. And if you want to change it, if you want something similar to this, you can try to other add-ons. Most of the Elementor add-on plugins have testimonial carousel or review carousel widgets. Okay, okay, since there are lots of blank space here, we can change this image with an square image, for example like this one. Okay, now we got it. It's good. And the next is this gallery section. For this gallery, okay, let's try this something first. I want to insert, yeah, 3-column section like this one, make it full white. Let's insert here, image here. Okay, it is not completely full white, there is little gap here. If you want to remove that, go here, column gap, no gap. Okay, then insert an image here. Okay, insert an image like this one. Okay, here in this column or in this image widget, let's add little margin to the right, about 30. Okay, good. Then here duplicate this in widget, then here widget space 30. Okay, then same thing here, change the image, copy this, paste it here, change it, okay. Here I think we need to add margin here between this, so here starting from here, from this widget, let's add to the right about 15 pixel. Here go to this image widget, advance about 15 pixel to the left, so there is 30 pixels margin between these two widget, and duplicate this, change the image widget, change image, okay, here like this, and here also we need to add margin about 15 to the right. Okay, here we go, this space, enough space. Okay, setting, vertical align, space evenly. Okay, okay, that's good. And we are done with this section too, so let's see how these sections that we have designed today looks on mobile. Responsive is very important. Yeah, for the testimonial we copy the layout from the above section, so there is not much to change, but for the gallery we need to release the margin. Okay, and here from here to release the margin, same here, release the margin. Since there is gap, let's add gap here too, let's add about 30. Okay, and same here, release the margin from the left and add to the top about 30 pixels. Same here, release the left margin and add about 30 to the top. Oh, we have already have okay, something like this. Yeah, it's good. There is not much to change, so let's see how it looks on tablet. Oh, it's okay, leave it. If you want to change, you can reduce the gap between these image widgets, so yeah, you can reduce the margins. And here same, here there is not much to change. Okay, that's it, update it. and I hope you learned something new from this video and from this web design course, especially for those WordPress and Elementor beginners. Okay, see you in the next episode. If in the meanwhile you have any questions or feedbacks, don't hesitate to comment below or contact me on WhatsApp or Facebook. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.